It's on. We're at one of the coolest places on the planet, Watkins Glen State Park in upstate New York. Check this out. Bam! 19 waterfalls over 1 mile.
This is only number one. Waterfall, what, 5, 6, something like that?
6, 7, I don't know, somewhere around there.
Oh, crap.
This is a good one. Now we're sitting right on top of what is this fall right here. It's a never-ending saga of waterfalls. It's pretty crazy through here. It kind of almost feels like you're in a rainforest or in a jungle. And we're just in upstate New York, right outside of Syracuse.
All right, so one of the things that we're trying to figure out here is whether it's actually worth it to actually jump into one of these things and get arrested. Because
It doesn't say no swimming though.
You know, these good looking swimming holes, I think it's like 95 degrees here, so look at the staircases, look at the pools and waterfalls. Let's go.
Pretty incredible. It just keeps getting better and better. Check this out.